Hello students, today's video is for BBA third year finance specialization students, and we will discuss the subject called security analysis and portfolio management SAP. Dear students, in today's video we will discuss one of the important aspect, that is called trading window. Trading window. This is one of the important topic from exam point of view. In the exam, the question may come from this topic, that is called trading window, and the question will be like this: what do you mean by trading window? How it operates? What are its basic features? And under what circumstances does the trading window is closed? So this is one of the exam question. In today's video we will discuss it in a very brief manner. Now dear students, trading window is the concept which is somewhere and somehow very closely related to the topic called insider trading. If in the book you will search the concept of a trading window, you may not find it directly. Rather, the topic in the book will be insider trading. Insider trading and trading window relates to insider trading. So the term or the concept of trading window is totally related to the concept called insider trading. This is called insider trading. So insider trading means what, students? Insider trading is the trading. From the meaning itself, you can easily able to understand that insider trading is the trading which is done insidely, For better understanding of the meaning, let's take one practical example. Dear students, for understanding the concept of insider trading, Let's take this practical example. Ax Limited is the company which issue securities. Securities include shares, debentures, and other various bonds or mutual funds. Also nowadays very popular mutual funds. So Ax Limited issues different securities that may include your shares, debentures, etc. Now there are certain members of the company also. There are certain members of the company also, and there are other investors. These are the one, two, three. I have given three specific kinds of investors. Now, the issue of shares or issue of securities always related to the investors. Always related to the investors also, because at the time of issue of security, the general investors or the general human beings can easily able to purchase the different securities of the companies. Now the thing is, there are various kinds of investors. Maybe small, or you may say individual investors, or maybe very large investors that may include your business houses, corporate houses, financial firms. Those generally purchase very huge amount of securities from the companies, or there may be certain amount of small individual investors also. Now these investors at the time of issue of shares or issue of debentures or issue of securities have the option for buying the securities. Then what about the members of the company? What about the members of the company? Members include directors, designated officers or official representatives, employees. For protecting the interest of the members, that is called directors, designated employees or officers, general employees. Now, for the betterment of its members, the concept of insider trading has been developed. Remember, for the benefit of the members of the company, the concept of insider trading has been developed. Under insider trading, the investors have absolutely got no role to play. The investors has no role to play so far as insider trading is concerned, because investors have the option of buying the securities at every point of time. What about the insiders? What about the members that include directors, designated officer, employees? For protecting the interest of the members, the concept of insider trading has been developed. The concept of insider trading has been developed. Now let's move to trading window. So, trading window, what is it mean? Now it is the time period. It is nothing but trading window is nothing but is the time period specified by the company for the purpose of insider trading for a particular period of time. Now I use two words or I underline two different words, time period and insider trading. So what is trading window? Trading window is nothing but the time period which is specified by the organization, it means the company, for the purpose of insider trading for a particular period of time. The concept of insider trading now you people will definitely able to understand, because I have given you one example how and the process of insider trading. Now trading window is the time period which is fixed by the company for insider trading or trading for its members. Trading for its members. Now suppose this is one timeline, say x and y. X and y is the timeline, and this is the time period, say up to point P. Up to point P, the trading is opened. So you can say up to this point, the trading is opened, and after reaching the point P, after reaching this point, the trading is closed. The trading is closed. So here the trading is open and here the trading is closed. The time period, if you ask me, sir, what is the time period? It is specified by the company. Different companies allow different specific time period for its members. For its members. For the members only. Members include members of the company include first the directors, and third the employees. So it is always for the members only. The trading window or the insider trading is always for the members only, and members include the directors, the official representatives, as well as the employees. These are the commonly members. Who are the members of the organization? It's directors, its official representatives, which includes your chief executive officers, managing directors, other officials, and very importantly employees, not the students. Why insider trading? No, this is the concept. But why? One general question that may come in your mind, sir, why insider trading? See, insider trading is always benefited or very beneficial for the company. It is very essential that every company should have its own trading window or should have its proper insider trading system. Because if the members of the company are generally allowed certain specific advantage over the common investors, then they feel very good so far as their working criteria is concerned, because employees, directors, official representatives are the part of the or integral part of the company. If they feel very secure, if they are given some certain amount of specific advantage, certain amount of specific advantage, then their mindset, their behavior towards the company, they will always be appreciated, or they feel that the company is giving some amount of due importance to them, and they feel very grateful to the company. And by doing so, the overall behavior of the employee, the director, the officials will definitely be changed. They will always be motivated to give the best effort towards the company. So in other way, the company with the help of insider trading is 100% able to increase the efficiency of it, because if the members of the organization will feel much better because they have given certain amount of extra advantage over the common investors, then they will feel always secure or always motivate, or in other way their efficiency will always increase. So it is very essential that every company should have its own trading window system or own insider trading system. There is no such huge difference between the terms called insider trading and trading window. Both are quite related to each other. Now, if the members will feel much secure, much better, then their performance will be much better. On overall, the company's performance will be much better. Take one practical example for better understanding. Suppose a teacher in a school makes own tuition. The teacher is working in a particular school and he or she is having its own private coaching institute. Now, suppose 20 students from the school where he is teaching, from that particular school, 20 students come to his private coaching institute for taking the coaching classes. Now, various informations, suppose in a class in the school, suppose the total strength is 100. For example, मान लेते हैं 100 is the total strength in the classroom. Now, the 20 students which come to the particular teacher for taking the coaching classes to his house, now these 20 students will definitely get certain amount of extra advantage as compared to other 80 students in the classroom, because 100 minus 20, 80. Total strength 100, 20 comes to private classes. So these 20 students always get certain amount of extra advantage as compared to other students in the classroom. Such benefits may include knowing of various hidden information. मान लो टीचर ने आज स्कूल में क्लास में डिक्लेयर किया कि मैं कल क्लास में एग्जाम करूंगा. स्कूल में बोला टीचर. द टीचर told in the classroom that he will make a class test tomorrow in the school. Now, later on the same day at the evening hours where the 20 students are taking the classes, one phone call came to the teacher, and teacher, maybe knowingly or unknowingly, by talking on the phone, tell to the other person that yes, I will definitely come tomorrow. I am on leave tomorrow. I will not come to or will not go to school tomorrow. I have taken my own CL, so I will definitely join in your meeting, or I will definitely attend your party. You don't worry, I will definitely attend the party because I have already taken a leave from the school. Tomorrow I am not going to school. I will be attending your function. By phone, the teacher is telling to one of her friends. Now, such information where the 20 students are sitting just in front to the teacher, they, even though the teacher doesn't want to disclose the fact, but still they came to know that yes, tomorrow sir is in holiday, so tomorrow's exam automatically be cancelled. I'm not telling that the teacher told the 21 individually, but by mistake he is talking on the phone and unknowingly or maybe knowingly or unknowingly by talking to her friend, he says that the teacher is on leave or I am on leave, so tomorrow I will not go to school anymore. So the 20 students definitely came to know the fact that since teacher is in holiday tomorrow, so definitely tomorrow's exam will automatically be cancelled. So this is the example. I just want to tell you that the insider persons, it means the 20 students in the example, are definitely getting certain amount of extra advantage, or you may say undue advantage. Now such kind of a benefit is always given to the members also, because only when the members feel much secure, much better, then only they will be motivated or give their best efforts towards the organization. So insider trading is a must process for every organization, or almost for every organization. Insider trading is a must go process. Now what about in trading window? See, there is not such a huge difference between insider trading and trading window. What happens in trading window? The trading window is the time period. In the diagram you can see from this point, that is from point X to point P, where the trading is opened, I put a tick mark, and after reaching this point P, the trading is closed. The trading is closed. Now this point differs from organization to organization. This point differs from organization to organization. Now we will discuss when the point P reaches, or when the organization reaches the point P, where the trading is closed. We will discuss the various circumstances or situations where the trading has been closed, when the company should open its trading process, and when the company should close its trading process. There are certain situations or circumstances where the company cannot open the process of a trading window. It is bound, it is compulsory, because these guidelines of trading window is regulated by SEBI. Remember, these regulations of the process of a trading window is regulated by SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India. Every company is bound to obey the regulations of SEBI. No company can violate the rules. When such situation arises, we will discuss just right now. When the situation arises, the company is forced or bound to close the process of trading, or the trading should be closed, or the trading window should be closed, because the company has reached such situations, because these are the guidelines given by the SEBI. Now I hope you should be able to understand the process of a trading window, why it is essential, who are the persons who get the benefit of a trading window, and what is mean by insider trading. These all terms should be very clear. I hope so. Now we will see what are the situations where the trading process is closed. When it is closed, dear students, there are 5 different situations where the trading is closed. What are those situations? Let's discuss them one by one. Very important point, students. The first situation is at the time of distribution of annual profit, distribution of annual profit or declaration of dividend. So at the time of distribution of annual profit or declaration of dividend, because distribution of annual profit, this point, these words, distribution of annual profit will be among the directors. Similarly, declaration of directors will be related to, sorry, declaration of dividend. Declaration of dividend will be related to the employees, because employees will generally get dividend the on the respective shares. So at the time of declaration of dividend on shares or at the time of distribution of annual profits among its directors, the process of trading window should be closed. Suppose today the company is distributing annual profit, so from today onwards the process of trading window should be closed. The company may issue shares to the common investors, but the insider trading, it means the members of the company cannot purchase the shares because the trading window or the process of trading has been closed, because the company has bound to close its trading window process for the fulfillment of SEBI guidelines. So this is the first situation, very important. At the time of distribution of annual profit or declaration of a dividend, every company should close its trading window process. Second point. At the time of issue of shares. At the time of issue of shares. If the company is issuing shares to the common investors or where common trading is going on, the general investors are allowed to buy the securities, then also the insider trading or you can say the trading window is bound to be closed. At that time, the members should not get the option of buying the securities because it is completely made for the investors. The investors should always get a chance for buying the securities. No insider trading is allowed by SEBI when new issues are made. Now, at the time of expansion and growth, very important point. When the company is expanding its operations, when the company is growing, now during the stage of expansion, the trading window should always be closed. At the time of amalgamation, at the time of amalgamation or merger, dear students, amalgamation is the process where two or more companies combine together or join together for making the business jointly. A limited is a separate organization, B limited is a separate organization. Now A limited and B limited decided that we will amalgamate. It means we will come together and make a new company that is called C limited. This is the process of amalgamation. Similarly, merger, when some new company takes over another company, that is also called the process of merger. Now when such process is going on, the trading window should always be closed. So trading window is closed during the stage of your amalgamation or merger or acquisition, where new companies are joining with the existing company. Then last circumstance, at the time of at the time of disposal of the company. It means when the company is winding its operations, अगर company बंद हो रहा है at the time of disposal or disclosure, or when the company is winding up, during the stage of winding up, जब company बंद हो रहा है तब भी trading window बंद करना compulsory है. At the time of disposal of company, that process of trading window should always be closed. So dear students, these are the 5 different situations or circumstances where the trading window is closed. So in today's video we have seen the concept of trading window. What is trading window? Again saying, trading window is a time period specified by the company for its members only for the purpose of insider trading. And the term in trading window and insider trading are always closely interrelated. Where the members of the company, it means the shareholders, employees, designated officials, directors are always getting an additional benefit or extra chance over their investors. During the process of trading window, no common investor is allowed to buy the securities. Only and only the members, which include directors, officials, employees, are getting the option of buying the securities of the company. And every company must hold the process of trading window for motivating its members, because only when members will be motivated, then only they will be able to give their 100% effort towards the betterment of the organization. So it is a very essential process for every company. And the SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, has given separate situations or circumstances where the trading window should be closed. So just go through today's video very carefully. Write down the notes that I will just give you after my video, and if there is any kind of doubt, we will discuss it in the Google Meet session. Thank you, students.